Grandma.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Asam Nyonya Prawn. First, wash and peel the skin from the prawns. This is so that when we marinate the prawns, the sauce will get into the flesh. So juicy. Now add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar into 75 grams of Asam Jawa. Add 1 cup of water. Don't worry, my hands are clean. Pour the mixture into the prawns. Nice. Place them in a Tupperware and shake them up. Now we have to leave the prawn for 2 hours to marinate. If possible, leave it overnight in the fridge.
2 hours later.
On high heat, pour in about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is hot, throw your prawns in. Move fast. Add in the bits of asam from the marinated sauce. Keep stirring. You start to notice that the prawns turn darker, like slightly burnt. That's when you are done. How easy was that? Don't you agree that the head is the best part? I couldn't wait. So delicious. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you try my Asam prawn. Like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi. Okay, one more time. What again? That's all. ว่าขอลูกเอาเลยไป